has changed a few things in our lives.
How much is this?
But guess what the internet hasn't changed? Money. Yep, money.
Preparing some material for another project.
Welcome back, folks. Let's make ourselves some step plates for our machine. For this project, I chose to use some 1018 cold rolled steel for the base part of the it is easy to melt and fairly inexpensive. The stuff that I am about to cut here is 4 inches by 2.5 by 1.5. At least those are the dimensions that I was going to use. The reason I'm using this material is because I want the base portion of the nail clamp to be at least 4 inches high, and that way it gives me a variety of ranges of material which I could clamp.
That's ironic. In order to cut the piece to make clamps for my mill, I had to make a temporary clamp. One reason I started flattening this particular side of what will end up being the base of the serrated clamp